keep seeing these action figures everywhere, and I have figured out the prompt to actually get it to work, because I've seen in some videos people were complaining. Well, here's an example of a Donald Trump one. Here's an example of me as one, and then in this video we'll create one of Elon Musk just to show you how it's done. So the way I came across the prompt that actually works, because for reference I found this video from 5 days ago, and in the comments everyone is saying doesn't work, blah blah blah. Well, today is your lucky day. So if we go on to LinkedIn, there's a guy here that I follow, Ruben. He's always sharing the best stuff, so go and check him out. And he shared this here, which actually came from another guy on X. But essentially you just copy and paste this prompt in. Now, if you look at this initially, you're like, oh, I'm going to have to change stuff, and it can be a bit of a nightmare. Well, that's why you use ChatGPT. So we have actually got ChatGPT to do that for us. So I had created and pasted in the prompt. So the prompt itself here, it's easier to read on this screen, is create a toy of the person in the photo, let it be an action figure. Next to the figure there should be the toy's equipment, each in its individual blisters. 1, a book called blah blah blah. 2, something else. 3, something else. 4, something else. Don't repeat the equipment under any circumstances. The card holding the blister should be a strong orange, or whatever colour you want it to be. Also on top of the box, write Pedro, the name basically, and underneath it write the sub thing. The figure and equipment must all be inside the blisters. Visualise this in a realistic way. So this gets away or around any of your, like, essentially copyright stuff, because it will say infringes it. So here I'd written a big thing, and the way I was able to write this is because I get ChatGPT on my phone, and instead of writing, because I hate typing stuff out, I just hold like the voice thing. So you could probably do it here too. I think you have to use it as voice mode, whereas that's not what I want to do. What I'd want to do is basically transcribe. So I just transcribe it with my phone, and I just go, right, listen, mate, I've been given this prompt, do this, blah blah blah. And basically here I say, I've been given this prompt, can you change it and give me 3? I need 1 for me, because it'll have loads of my memories, because I've got so much stuff inside in ChatGPT, and then 1 for Elon Musk and 1 for Donald Trump. And so it gave me back this stuff here where it says 1 for you. So it's given me create image, create this toy, blah blah blah. Then it's given me some stuff that it thinks is relevant to me, which is school, YouTube and cloud engineering. A mug that says no 9 to 5. A tiny baby with a onesie that says future dev. And a book titled Applied AI. Applied AI in school, referring to my school community, which we'll talk about in a bit. And then tiny baby, I have a tiny baby. So then Elon Musk, there's a bit of stuff here, and then for Donald Trump some stuff here. So the Donald Trump one we put in, and this is what we got back. Donald J. Trump, 45th president. Here he's here. Well, MAGA hat. Says grey again. Maybe that's ironic because of his hair. Truth Social on a burger. Don't know why ChatGPT thought it was a good idea, but then also a book too. And the likeness here, I've actually used a picture, a full body picture, so I could try and get his best depiction. And then for me it was the same. I got a full body pic of me. It's not popping up now, but a full body pic of me, and I've scribbled out my son's face. Isn't a tiny baby, but he is. He's only 1. So anyway, and then pasted that in, and this was mine here, which I thought was actually pretty cool. Me, future dev with a little applied AI book, no 9 to 5. It actually says no 9 to money. And then YouTube, school and cloud engineer, but it actually says cloud progressed. So anyway, very cool. I actually think my wee guy looks pretty cool. But you can obviously make it say whatever you want. So here it's got a laptop, mug, blah blah blah. This prompt, by the way, will be in the description of the video, so you can go and use it. But yeah, so let's do the one, just to show you in action, let's do the one for Elon Musk. So if we copy this here, because I've just got AI to make it for me, click new, we'll paste that in here, and we'll click create image. Now we have to go and get an image of Elon Musk. So if we do it in here, we'll go Elon Musk, and if you want it more realistic, like his whole body, you can write like full body, but it's harder to find a full body pic of him. Perfect, that's a good one. Just copy that image, and then what we'll do is we'll just go back to ChatGPT, paste this image in here, then we'll paste it in, then we'll click send, And now it will then start to create this image. This wait, does it say orange? Or has it? Yeah. Blister should be a strong orange. You can make the blister whatever you want. Let me stop actually and see if I can change that, because I want it to be a different colour. Because I mean they're all orange. I don't want. I'm all oranged out. Let me duplicate this tab, and we'll get the prompt again. And so the prompt for for Elon Musk is a tiny model of Mars, a baby with a Dogecoin, and a flamethrower that says "not a flamethrower." Throwback to that iconic GRE interview or podcast. A book titled Algorithmic Irony. Cool, and we'll make it on a strong blue background. And then that is it on. Did that? Yes. Boom. So we'll let this create. Whilst that does, let's have a quick look at school. So I run a school community called Applied AI. The essence of the community is to get you from zero or wherever you are to applying AI for real to make money or to save time. Now, within inside this community here, we have a bunch of modules. We have AI foundations, tech foundations. Between them, we have over 40 lessons teaching you like the fundamentals that you need to know from literally zero. So you get a structured learning path. Now, once you've learned these, we then implement them through AI workflows, coding with AI and AI content. Where here, it's essentially right now an NA10 masterclass with various templates as well, and this is all being added to every day. Coding with AI as well, so how to get up, set up with coding if you've never coded before, development tools, etc., coding projects, again, getting added to every day. And content creation is basically how to automate content creation, whether that be for social media, so we have some that are currently undergoing, or like, creating an AI clone, for example, which is pretty cool. But yeah, and then tools where we keep you up to date with the latest tools every single day as well, and then just tell you the best tools and what they do. We also have a call every single week on a Tuesday right now at 5 PM UK time, which is about 12 PM US time or Central time, I think. Come along, ask me any questions, we talk about stuff. It's a vibrant community where we're all talking about stuff. Recently we were just talking about automation agents and cloning yourself as well, so we have a few people chatting away. So come, get involved, join other professionals and entrepreneurs, and learn how to apply AI from the ground up today. Anyway, let's get back to Elon Musk. Oh, I wonder if that's because of a flamethrower. Well, that's frustrating. Let me see again. I thought I did a toy flamethrower. Because surely it should be fine. Come on. So we're getting started. Although sometimes, frustratingly, it can say getting started, but then it's just lying to you, because then it'll show you most of it and then cut it off. That happened before when I was testing the image generator, and I was trying to get Trump in prison, pretty much. So that'd be funny. And then it literally rendered the entire thing, and then it just blipped and disappeared. But at least I'm recording now, so we'll actually get this. I must have left it saying in orange. Yeah, whatever, I'll be fine. Let's see Elon Musk. Ooh, what's it gonna look like? Tech billionaire action figure. Honestly, it'd be cool at ChatGPT, man. They should be able to you then can buy these. That'd be so cool. But I suppose that would probably cost a fortune. Right, so what do we have here? I can see a baby. I can see Make America Great Again hat. Elon Musk. SpaceX station. Is it on Mars? Yes. Next to the baby with the Dogecoin. Now let's see. What's underneath? Boom. So there we go. We have Musk being like, oh, come on. Just let me fire you. We have a flamethrower that's not a flamethrower. Does it say that? It's supposed to. But I don't see it. NOTA, not a flame floater. Massey America Kia. I don't know. Algorithmic irony. Well, apparently, normally ChatGPT is really good at text, but as you know, they often get worse across time. So there you go. That's how to create the action figures. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. If you want to learn more about AI, how to actually apply it in the real world, to make money and save time, go and check out the Applied AI community. The membership price will be going up in a week's time, so get in whilst you can. Anyway, I look forward to seeing you inside. Take care.